the government has called its next witness, Kerry Morgan. Morgan was previously introduced to the jury during Cassie Ventura's testimony. She is a former longtime friend of Ventura, but ended their friendship in 2018 after an alleged assault involving Sean Diddy Combs and a wooden hanger. On the witness stand, Morgan described changes in Ventura's demeanor after beginning a relationship with Combs, whom she characterized as both psychologically and physically abusive. According to Morgan, Ventura lost her confidence and her spark during the early years of their 11-year relationship. Morgan testified that she personally witnessed Combs assault Ventura on multiple occasions, including hitting her, pulling her hair, kicking, and pushing her. She cited two specific incidents, one at a residence Combs was renting in the Hollywood Hills and another in Jamaica. In the Hollywood Hills incident, Morgan stated she was positioned in a foyer with a direct view of the bedroom, where she saw Combs push Ventura. She said she was pretty sure he also punched and kicked her. Ventura, she testified, did not respond or retaliate. Morgan reported yelling at a nearby security guard named Ruben to intervene, but claimed he did not act. Following the incident, Morgan and Ventura left the house and hid at a neighbor's property, while Combs and the guard searched for them. Morgan also described a separate altercation in Jamaica in 2013. According to her testimony, Combs became upset when Ventura took too long in the bathroom. Morgan said she heard guttural and terrifying screams, then saw Combs dragging Ventura by the hair. In another event, Morgan testified that Ventura returned home in 2016 with a black eye after an alleged assault by Combs at the InterContinental Hotel in Los Angeles. Morgan was staying at Ventura's apartment at the time. She described Ventura arriving with her hoodie pulled over her head, appearing slumped and silent. When she removed the hoodie, Morgan said Ventura revealed a visible black eye. Approximately 30 minutes later, Morgan testified that Combs began banging on the front door with a hammer. She said Ventura appeared numb and indifferent to the possibility of further danger. Prosecutors allege that surveillance footage from the hotel shows Combs punching Ventura, throwing her to the ground, kicking her, and dragging her. They also allege that Combs attempted to cover up the incident. Under questioning by Assistant U.S. Attorney Meredith Foster, Morgan detailed conversations in which she encouraged Ventura to leave Combs. Ventura reportedly said she could not, citing his control over her job, apartment, and car. Morgan testified that Ventura would have lost all of her livelihood if she left. Morgan also stated that she was the only one of Ventura's friends who was not employed by Combs, and observed that Ventura often felt more reassured about the relationship after spending time with those on Combs's payroll. Morgan further testified that she was assaulted by Combs in 2018 during an altercation involving Ventura's other relationship. Morgan said Combs struck her with a wooden hanger, resulting in a concussion, dizziness, and vomiting. Following the incident, Morgan said Ventura presented her with a non-disclosure agreement on behalf of Combs. Morgan signed the NDA in exchange for $30,000. She testified that she has not spoken to Ventura since. This concludes the latest courtroom testimony in the federal case involving Sean Diddy Combs. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates, ongoing trial coverage, and in-depth reports. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Thank you for watching.